Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Just Prince. My video is all about cooking, interesting facts, and all about latest news. Make it sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell to make it sure that you will be notified on my uploaded videos. Don't forget to like and share my video today.
Laundry procedure.
Hello everyone, I'm from batch 18. Today's video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how to wash the soiled linen, clothes, and fabrics using the washing machine in the best and safe way.
Segregation.
To start washing, first thing to do is to gather all the soiled linen, clothes, and fabrics. Separate the white one or the cleanest one. Separate the colored one, the sizes, and with stain. Also, we have to remember that every packet of the clothes, we have to check it out and check for the valuable items. After checking,
Equipment safety procedure.
we have to check the wirings of the washing machine for damages. If there's no damage, we have to start to use the equipment. First thing is switch on the power supply, plug the washing machine, switch on the water supply, and switch on the washing machine. Open the top load, put the cleanest one, which is the white one, add detergent powder, and add fabric conditioner. After that, we have to close it. We have to choose the wash for how many minutes. We have also to check the rinse and spin. Check for the water level, and if you want the hot and cold, you have to just click the push button. Then wait for the timer. After washing the cleanest one, put it the dirtiest one.
Equipment care.
The last step is the care for the equipment. First, we need to clean the washing machine or our equipment. Of course, we have to switch off, unplug the washing machine, switch off the power supply, and switch off the water supply. And wipe. After cleaning the washing machine, we have to gather all the cleaning materials and place it to the designated area.